Hey friends, if you wish to recover deleted chats on ChatGPT, then the answer is you cannot if you have manually deleted them. But here's the thing, if they have suddenly been deleted on ChatGPT, then maybe the server is down. And to verify this, go and check ChatGPT server status. Okay, and I'll tell you why, because it's a very common problem. This is one application where the server being down is very common. Just check through the downtime report here. It is down very often. Like it was down throughout the previous few days. Okay, and it has just been up. So this is a very normal thing with ChatGPT. And if that happens, then you may lose chats. You may or may not recover them. But the only thing that you can do in this case is wait. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.